Welcome to Choice Champions. The best folding brackets is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for any home or workshop, offering incredible utility without sacrificing precious floor space. Whether you're looking to create a fold-away workbench, a temporary shelf, or even a sturdy mount for your TV, these heavy-duty brackets provide the perfect blend of strength and convenience, transforming cluttered areas into functional zones with ease. Get ready to discover how these ingenious devices can revolutionize your living or working environment, making them an indispensable addition for anyone seeking smart, adaptable storage and workspace solutions. Number 5. Heavy-duty stainless steel folding shelf brackets. Introducing our heavy-duty folding shelf brackets, designed to maximize your space. These versatile brackets are perfect for a wide range of applications, from your garage to your kitchen. Need to save space? Simply press the release arm to fold them down. They lock securely at 90 degrees, offering excellent performance for sorting and storage needs. Built with a sturdy triangle structure, these brackets can hold an impressive amount of weight. They are ideal for creating workstations, tables, or shelves wherever you need them. Crafted from high-quality metal with a durable black painted surface, they resist scratches and corrosion. This ensures both longevity and a sleek aesthetic for your space. Each set includes everything you need for easy installation: shelf brackets, screws, and expansion anchors. Just ensure they are mounted parallel and perpendicular for optimal stability. What we like. This bracket offers excellent space saving with its foldable design, locking securely at 90 degrees. Its sturdy triangle structure supports up to 177 pounds, making it ideal for DIY projects. If you're looking for a durable and versatile solution for your garage, kitchen, or workshop, this is a great choice. What people say. These brackets are very sturdy and hold a lot of weight. They fold up nicely when not in use, saving space. The installation was straightforward and the brackets feel secure. Number 4. Ultrawall 24 Black Folding Shelf Brackets. Introducing our 24-inch black folding shelf brackets, designed for exceptional strength and stability. These heavy-duty brackets are built to last, providing reliable support for your projects. Perfect for supporting benches or tables, these brackets are ideal for your home, garage, apartment, RV, or shed. They are a great choice for various do-it-yourself tasks and repairs. Our patented design allows for effortless folding in seconds, saving valuable space. When not in use, they take up less than 4 inches of space and feature a secure locking mechanism for stability. Crafted from powder-coated steel, these brackets resist rust, chipping, and cracking. They are engineered for durability and can support an impressive maximum load of 550 pounds. Installation is quick and simple with the included heavy-duty mounting hardware and easy-to-follow guide. We also provide installation technical support to assist you. We offer customization options and are here to help with any questions regarding installation or use. Contact us via email, and we'll do our best to resolve any issues you may encounter. What we like. With a patented design for flexibility, this bracket folds down to take up minimal space. It's constructed from durable, powder-coated steel and boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 550 pounds. If you need a robust and easily storable solution for heavy-duty applications like workbenches or tool support, this is the one. What people say. These brackets are incredibly sturdy and hold a significant amount of weight, making them perfect for heavy-duty shelving. The folding mechanism is smooth and locks securely in place, providing a stable surface when needed and easy storage when not. Number 3. TopDirect 4-pack heavy-duty locking hinges. Introducing our heavy-duty locking hinges, designed for durability and strength. They are built with a sturdy, rust-proof steel structure for long-lasting performance. These hinges measure 63 by 68 by 54 mm with a 2.5 mm thickness, offering a robust yet compact solution. They are engineered to be corrosion-resistant and reliable. Experience incredible support with these brackets, capable of holding up to 500 pounds. They lock securely at a 90-degree angle, meeting all your needs. Our unique self-locking design features a built-in double spring structure. They can be easily folded or opened, simplifying your setup and storage. Perfect for a wide range of uses, including extendable tables, DIY desks, and cabinets. They help maintain a tidy and organized home or workspace. Installation is straightforward, requiring only the tightening of screws. Enjoy the convenience and stability they provide. What we like. This product features a unique self-locking hinge mechanism for secure 90-degree positioning. Made from sturdy steel with a rust-proof finish, it's designed for durability. If you're working on furniture projects like folding tables, desks, or cabinet legs and need a reliable, easy-to-use locking hinge, this is an excellent option. What people say. These brackets are heavy-duty and fold down flat when not in use, making them great for saving space. The locking mechanism is very secure, ensuring the shelf stays in place when extended. Installation was straightforward, and they feel very sturdy when holding weight. Number 2. LEOPO 20-inch folding shelf brackets. Discover the ultimate space-saving solution for any room. These brackets are perfect for optimizing your living areas, from kitchens to balconies. Crafted from high-grade steel with a resilient black finish, these brackets are built to last. They offer both strength and a sleek aesthetic. Enjoy a user-friendly design with an innovative lock for secure positioning. Installation is versatile, adapting to your specific needs. Setting up these brackets is incredibly simple. All necessary mounting accessories, screws, and anchors are included for a secure installation. We stand behind our product with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with a no-cost replacement option. What we like. This bracket offers a user-centric design with an innovative lock that secures the table when folded. It's precision engineered from top-tier steel with a resilient paint finish for enhanced durability. If you value peace of mind with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, and need a stylish, durable solution for various spaces, consider this. What people say. These brackets are incredibly sturdy and hold a significant amount of weight, perfect for my workbench. The folding mechanism is smooth and locks securely in place, making them easy to use and store. Installation was straightforward, and they feel very robust once mounted. Number 1. ONAGAD E-Track Folding Shelf Brackets. Are you struggling with cramped spaces in your enclosed trailer or work van? These heavy-duty brackets offer a smart solution to create extra storage, saving room and reducing clutter. Easily deploy these brackets when you need them, and they lock securely at a 90-degree angle. When not in use, simply fold them away to reclaim your space. Constructed from high-strength steel with a durable black powder coating, these brackets are built to withstand tough conditions and resist rust. Their sturdy triangular design can support up to 110 pounds. Installation is a breeze. They snap directly into your E-Track system, or can be mounted directly to a wall using the included hardware. No complicated steps required. Create custom shelving in your trailer, build a workbench in your van, or set up a temporary table. The possibilities are endless for organizing your workspace. Transform your vehicle into a more functional and organized space. These brackets help you maximize space utilization, making any area feel larger and more efficient. What we like. Designed specifically for E-Track systems, these brackets offer a smart solution for tight quarters, maximizing space utilization. Their sturdy triangle construction holds up to 110 pounds and they feature easy snap-in installation. If you have an enclosed trailer, work van, or workshop with an E-Track system and need to create extra, collapsible storage, these are perfect. What people say. The brackets are heavy-duty and fold down flat, making them great for saving space. Easy to install and very sturdy, they hold a good amount of weight. The locking mechanism is secure and keeps the shelf stable when in use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.